We are at handicraft cluster, and you can see here that amazing things have been created by such a great persons, and they are exporting such a things to Germany and USA and many developed countries. So you can see, and yes, we will take a tour about that, their how they have started their journey, and how they have like established this center, and from many decades how they are doing this work, and how they have started their export also. So stay tuned, and yes, you can watch this, and you can, yes, promote Indian handicrafts also, and the lot of scope is here in this sector, and yes, you can enjoy this as export business. So चलो फिर देखते हैं हम कैसे चालू किया और क्या कर सकते हैं हम इसमें. Just we are here at handicraft factory actually, and this is so amazing, and we are like meeting with can you please introduce about yourself?
I am Mr. Bhupati, Secretary of Shilpa Trust and also the Channapatna Craft Park Cluster.
Yeah. So in this cluster, actually, there are many more handicraft products. They are manufacturing actually from the raw to finished product. So they are preparing. You can see here in this shop there are variety of handicrafted products they are prepared. So I want to ask you like from how many days or how many years you are doing all this work?
Particularly this production unit we started in 2000, 2012.
Okay. Okay. This is started.
Yeah, this unit.
Okay.
This is my son.
So this unit has started from 2012.
2012.
Okay. And from
But
that.
we are into this industry from, it is our heritage.
It's like
I am fifth generation.
so
and
from
he is
your
sixth generation.
grandfather and grandfather,
Yes.
from that point of view, so you are doing all this work.
Yes.
Okay.
Wood carvings actually we are doing in.
So it's a traditional
Wood carving.
family. This is traditional
From
family.
last 40-45 years, we are also into the lacquer products.
Okay. And what is the speciality of your product? Like if we can see here.
Yes, madam.
This is product. What
We
is the
are-
speciality of this product?
We are exporting these products to Europe, particularly Germany.
Okay.
These products are as per the CE standard.
Okay. As per
And
the
CE standard.
C standard. Okay.
And also all the colors are used non-toxic.
So it is organic.
Organic,
Made
you
by
can say
vegetables.
organic vegetables, non-toxic like
Not
that.
toxic. So children, if we
Safe, safe
yeah, safe for the children.
children.
So if children can play with this, that
Yeah.
it is also okay.
It's also
It is also safe for them.
safe.
Okay.
The safe toys only Germans are.
Yeah, that is why they are importing from India.
Yeah, that is the specialty.
Okay, it is
And also there is no harm in these toys
okay.
because of we are making the toys according to CE standards.
Okay.
No sharp heads,
Yes, yes. That
edges, and small parts.
Yeah.
Like that, there are parameters of
Okay.
CE
See standards. And that is why
That
it
is-
is approved by the European
Yeah.
government, and that is why they are importing.
In US, they are following ASTM standards.
Okay. Okay.
Like same standards, they are naming it different. ASTM is US,
Okay.
C is
Okay. So and it is made like actually it is customized toy. So if you want to make it as per your own design drawings, you can give it to them. Yes.
Yeah.
We can give it to you and you
according
can
to
prepare
your
a toy.
design
Yes.
and design of customer, we make the product up.
Yes.
Because we are producing.
Right. Yes. You are core in that.
Yeah. At the same time, timely supply, qualitative products,
Right.
reasonable prices.
Yes.
All these things are our
Yes. That is
Plus
your
point.
speciality. And that is your
Plus
plus point. Yes. 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 Actually, yes. Come Rahul. Yes. Rahul is actually one of our student, and actually he is into that. So they are the manufacturer, and Rahul is the partner with them for this business. And Rahul is actually supplying these type of toys and many more types like customized in nature. So Rahul, you can introduce you and your company and what you are doing actually in this business.
This is actually a Champaka toys. We are selling these toys through Amazon, Flipkart. Also, we have plans of exporting this product to the global level. So this toy, we just want to make it to the global level. So we have all types of customization available. You can give us a drawing, the color. So whichever the dimensions you give, we have the capacity to manufacture and export to the world. And our company name is Shole Exports Anywhere, and we have registered the brand as Zantwa. So
Zantwa.
ZANTVA. You can find out in Google. You can reach to us through our website. We have a website, through our Instagram pages. We are active in all the social media pages.
You can tell them like what is your website name and what is your social media.
www.zantwa.com. You can just type in the Google and you can reach to us. We have all types of. We are active in all the social media pages: Twitter, LinkedIn, Flipkart, and Amazon. You can find us from anywhere.
So main thing is you can reach to this handicraft market through Rahul and through with them. So this is the huge variety of market is here, and
You can expect a good quality of product of this toys from here. So
actually.
the export quality which you are looking for.
And I have seen all the manufacturing, like from the raw, from the wood to like with the finished products, how they are making, and this is so hard work actually they are doing. And this is actually the India. India is famous for the handicrafted because we have the variety of designs, culture, traditions, and that is why we are making this. So I urge to you all that promote these products, promote India with this, and if you have any inquiry about this product, you can connect to Zantwa. So you can go on this page and like them, subscribe them, share them also, so that we can explore this market many more people and to the globe also. So all the details about this product and all the things related you can get in the comment box also. And if you have any like doubt and any inquiry, you can reach us also. So thank you so much for giving this information. And yes, India is like the many more traditions are coming, and we are on a mission to create 10,000 exporters for that. So yes, take action. So just have a quick tour how they are preparing, how they are like with so intensity, how they are manufacturing that. And yes, I'm so amazed by seeing this all things, and I hope you have got some inspiration and motivation about this business. And yes, you definitely start your export journey. So just have that tour, and yes, take action and start your export business, and we are there ready to help you that how you can become exporter. Jai Hind. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Just share, like and subscribe. Thank you.